Hi boys and girls, how are you? Today we're going to learn how to do body percussion sounds. So what that means is that we're going to make sounds with our hands and our feet. So for the first sound, it's super easy. You've been making the sound for years. It is called clapping. So you're just gonna need your hands. So I want you to listen and then repeat. It's gonna sound like this. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's try it one more time. Listen and then repeat. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Perfect. For the next sound, we're going to use our shoulders. So you're going to cross your hands and let them rest here for now. Listen, and then you're going to repeat. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Listen one more time. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Perfect. The next sound we're going to make is called a snap, like this. Okay? It's a little tricky, but that's okay. We can keep practicing this one. So you're going to take your middle finger and touch it to your thumb, and then roll the third finger down into your hand. Try one more time, like this. All right? If it doesn't sound this loud, don't worry about it. This takes a little bit of practice. So the next pattern we're going to make, listen and then repeat. Ta, 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 ta. Wonderful. How are you doing so far? I think you're doing great. Let's keep going. For the next sound, you're going to take your hands and you're going to tap on your lap like this. Listen first, then repeat. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Listen one more time. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. You got it. For the next sound, we're not going to count. I just want you to rub your hands together and listen to the sound that your hands make. It's such an interesting sound, isn't it? Wow, it's very beautiful. And for the last sound, we're going to stomp our feet on the ground to make our sound. First listen and then repeat. It's going to sound like this. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta. Listen one more time. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta. Ta, ta, tika, tika, ta. Well done. Super job. I love it. Boys and girls, we're going to do something really special. We're going to combine the sounds that we just learned together into a special pattern. Listen to the first pattern that I'm going to play for you, and then you can repeat. It's going to go like this. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Listen again and then repeat. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Stomp. Stomp, clap, clap, stomp. Wonderful. And you probably noticed that the pattern was ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp. So all the notes we're using is just ta and ti, ti. Pattern number 2, listen, then repeat. Snap, snap, clap. Snap, snap, clap. Snap, snap, clap. Snap, snap, clap. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Listen careful to this one. Clap, lap, lap, shoulder, shoulder, clap. Try it together. Clap, lap, lap, shoulder, shoulder, clap. One more time. Clap, lap, lap, shoulder, clap. Listen and then repeat. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Wonderful. We have only one pattern left and it sounds like this. Listen and then repeat. Shoulder, shoulder, stomp. Shoulder, shoulder, clap. Shoulder, shoulder, stomp. Shoulder, shoulder, clap. Listen one last time. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Wonderful. We're all finished with our patterns. What I want you to do next is to create your own 16-beat body percussion pattern. So, for example, if you have ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, that's already 4 beats. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's already 4 beats, so you just need 12 more. And if you noticed, the only notes that we're using are ti, ti, and ta. And you can use any of the sounds that we learned together today. Alright, that's all for now. Have fun composing your song, and I'll see you soon.